what we see in Jamaica is we have bounced, and we should be back at pre-COVID levels of our economy by the end of December 2022.
Well, we'll probably need to pause there so everyone really understands the implications of that, because going back pre-pandemic, things were okay. People were moving along. Some people may have complained and say, nothing not going, but generally there was economic expansion. Things were looking good.
Yeah. In other words, we were, things started to, macroeconomic stability became entrenched. Domestic investors and international investors started to look at Jamaica as a good investment destination. You know what I mean? Our major challenge being crime. But funnily enough, I in my PSOJ role, I met with an overseas investor who is significantly invested in Jamaica from the Latin America, and they're from Latin America. They have operations all over Latin America, and you know what? They believe Jamaica is for them within a top 2 investment destination in the world.
Yes.
Why? Because one, FX, there are no FX restrictions, so that they have the free movement of money. 2, there is the cost of the factors of production outside of energy are reasonable. Energy is very high, right? But everything else works for them, and they are even looking to pump more money in building out capacity, right?
That is good.
Yep. So therefore, we expect the economy will be back at pre-COVID level.